Hello, thanks for joining me. I'm Kayla with Cardinal Kinetic. We're about to get into our first Get Started tutorial video. To start, go to the InoWorx login, select Programmer from the dashboard, and take in the workspace. You always land on a blank, unnamed project. If you would like to learn more about workspace and block navigation, we have a tutorial on that. Otherwise, let's get into it. Our goal for this tutorial is to send a program to the InoDrive that flashes the custom LED that you see on the front of your InoDrive. Navigate to the module category of blocks, then drag the custom LED block right into our initialization part of the main program block. This block is excellent for troubleshooting your program, alerting you to different states that your program is in, and more. Now choose the custom LED behavior. The default is off. Select strobe and a color. Next, we can see that the slot needs to be handled. We'll click on that, and since we're only handling one module, select the local slot. The local slot refers to the target InoDrive directly. Speaking of which, let's configure the module in the resource tree. Click on Modules. We're going to put in whatever name you like and enter the serial number. Then click Create and Close. Now we can save it. Clicking this icon here allows us to save the file to our account. You should have some meaningful name here and some description, then build and upload the program by clicking this icon. Approve the program being sent, and now look at your InoDrive's custom LED. Thanks so much, and we'll see you in the next tutorial, Cardinal Kinetic.